We do what we call Fun Fridays, and that's just we do a little spin on Fridays of what we're working on. So this morning in our science class, we were doing a cooking lesson. We would practice our measuring, our counting skills, different things to help practice one-to-one correspondence. The students got to make grilled cheeses using sourdough bread, and they got to try 3 different kinds of cheese and choose the one that they liked the best. And then they got to make dirt and worm pudding cups, kind of a fun Halloween twist for a little dessert.
Which one did you like to eat more?
Grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese. Did you like the grilled cheese or the pudding?
The pudding cup.
Was it a chocolate chip cookie or an Oreo cookie?
Oreo.
Mm-hmm. And then what did we have to do? Smash it up?
Naturally.
My favorite part is watching their independence. The first week we did it, it was more I was doing and they were watching, and I feel like today I really got to just tell them the steps and they got to do, and they got to try and they got to make a creation that was very individualized to them, so they got to be more independent. And so it's just been a few weeks, so I'm really excited to see how we continue to grow.